Good morning. Today we are going to discuss working of for loop using one example. So to understand it, we have taken a program to display 1, 2, 3. Okay. So here is the program. We have taken a variable I, and within for loop there are three parameters. The first one is initialization of loop variable. Second one is testing condition, and third one is increment or decrement section. So as we have to display 1, 2, 3, so we are starting with I equal to 1. So here the value of I is initialized with 1, and the test condition is I is less than equal to 3. It means the loop will work till the value of I is equal to 3. So it should work 3 times for value of I, when value of I is 1, when value of I is 2, and when value of I is 3. And this is the increment section where we are increasing the value of I by 1. And if the condition is true, it will go inside the loop and display the value. Slash t is there to give space between. This is basically used to give space. It is called tab between each values, and this percentage d and I will display the value of I. We have used percentage d because I is an integer. And finally, once you are outside the loop, with this get ch, which is used to accept value of one character. We use it in the program to just hold the output screen. So let's have a look how it's working. First step is the value of I is initialized with 1. Next is condition is tested. Condition I is 1. So 1 is less than 3. Condition is true. What will next? Then it will go inside the loop and display the value. You can see the output screen here. It will display 1 here. Okay, slash t will give some space, and for I value of I will be displayed here. So 1 is displayed here. What next? Then it will return back to the increment section. So I plus plus. It will increase the value of I by 1. Now I becomes 2. What next? Again I will be tested. Condition will be tested whether I is less than 3 or not, or I is 2, so condition is still true. What happens next? It will go inside the loop and body of the loop will be executed. So again slash t, so it will give some space, and percentage di value of I will be displayed. So again it will display 2 here. What next? It will go and increase the value. So I plus will execute, and it will increase the value of I by 1. So now I becomes 3. What next? Again condition is tested. Condition is still true because I is equal to 3 and its 3 is equal to 3. So condition is true. What will next? It will display the value of I here. So again slash t, and then you can see its 3 is displayed here. What again, the value of I will be increased by 1. So now it becomes 4. Now it will return to the test condition section. Now again it will be tested. I is 4, so either is neither less than or equal to 3. So condition is false. So it will take you outside the loop, that is get ch will be executed. So you can see here get ch is executed. Finally you are outside the loop. This is how loop works. If you want to display value up to 10, you can simply write the condition I is less than equal to 10. It will display the value up to 10. Say if you want to display even numbers, you can start with 2 and you can increase the value by 2, that is I plus equal to 2, and the condition will be I is less than equal to 10. So it will display 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So this is how for loop works. Thank you.